Here's how to convert 16:9 to 9:16 in Premiere Pro. So as you can see, currently this is my sequence settings and this is a 16:9 sequence or project. To convert it, all you have to need to go to your project panel and right click on your sequence and click on sequence settings, or you can just go to sequence and click on sequence settings. In here you will find your current frame. All you have to need, just in frame size horizontal value give 1080p and in this vertical give here 1920, and then as you can see my sequence already converted into 9:16. Now just click on OK. Click on OK and that's it. I've successfully converted my 1690 to 9:16. Now go to effect control, select scale, and you have to make the video perfect for your sequence or frame just like this. That's it.